Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Semicon West and I'm on the booth of Pickering and I'm joined by Graham Dale. Graham, great to see you again.
Thank you, Philip.
Last time we spoke, there was a bit of a watch this space. There was something new coming.
Yeah.
Is it here?
Yeah, it is indeed. Last year we introduced our Series 120, which was the smallest board area relay that was currently available, 4mm by 4mm base area. 1 amp switching at 20 watts, and said watch this space because we were going to reduce it further. We've got that here now. It's our Series 124. It's the height's reduced from 15.5mm to 9.5mm. It's a 5 watt 1/2 amp rating, and it's on the same small board area of 4mm by 4mm. Amazing density. This is the last year's version, the 120, but that's an illustration of the sort of density that you can get.
Yeah, and it's interesting because I look at that and I think, wow, amazing density. But people just want more and more, and the height reduction is so more cards in the rack.
It's more convenient for some of the card-based systems like PXI, that sort of thing. You appreciate that with the large switching matrices that people need nowadays, a very large part of the cost is the racking, the connectors, the boards, that sort of thing. To be able to get that sort of density in that small card is an amazing saving for people like our sister company, Pickering Interfaces.
Yeah, and I remember last time we were talking, you were saying Pickering Interfaces were one of the big drivers for all your new development. Was that the case with the reduced height, or were there other customers looking for it as well?
Well, we always intended that we'd have a series, and so yeah, that was expected to be the next move, the lower profile one. Yeah. So.
And with respect to the one that you launched this time last year, the market's responded well to that. That's been a big seller.
We're selling them nicely, and Interfaces selling systems using them. So yeah, it worked well. Yeah.
Perfect. And is it going to get smaller? Where do we go from here? Is it a smaller footprint?
Who knows? I'm not going to say watch this space again, but who knows? Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of the race, isn't it, to get the smallest device? So it's ongoing.
I think that we are probably the most innovative of the relay manufacturers, but we do have this driver, our sister company, so there's this very big synergy between the two companies that works well for both of us.
Yeah, and I think it's valuable for you, it's valuable for them, but it's valuable for all of your other customers.
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
Graham, thanks for your time. Lovely to see you again.
Thanks,
and hope we can talk again soon.